I'm Tara with PDQ. I'm going to fill in for Brock with September's Patch Tuesday. You know, lately Microsoft's been making some people pretty angry, and this month is no different. They're still at it. In fact, let me just start by telling everyone that has an on-prem Exchange server circa 2016, you might want to go get some coffee because you're going to have a bad day. August patches were pretty okay. We had some Autodesk permission issues, a couple NDI problems. We don't want to point any fingers, but Microsoft did say that 30% of their code was now written by AI. So anyway, this month, pretty good, light month. We have total exploits patch 80, critical patches 8, important 72, moderate 0, and low 0. Okay, their impact, remote code execution is 22, elevation of privilege 38, information disclosure 14, spoofing 1, tampering 0, denial of service is 3. Now exposure, publicly disclosed just 1, and the best news ever, actively exploited 0. So yay, that makes us happy. Now let's look at the highlights. We're going to feature 3, and those 3 are CVE 2025-54910. This coming in with a score of 8.4. This is Microsoft Office remote code execution vulnerability. This allows a bad actor to trick someone into opening a file. This is Microsoft Office primarily, but it basically says, hey, open that file, and then I can get in there and do whatever I want. And this also affects the Mac version, and you can access it via the preview pane, so that one's kind of scary. Next up, CVE 2025-5524. This is Windows Hyper-V remote code execution. This involves a race condition. So imagine 2 resources are both trying to write to the database at the same time, and that causes things to get unstable. So someone has 2 girlfriends and they both get really crazy. Situations get a little volatile. Well, the hacker swoops in and does whatever they want. That's this exact situation. Next up, we have CVE 2025-54918. This is an NTLM Elevation of Privilege. It basically allows a low privileged account to get system level access. So yeah, it's exactly what it sounds like. But you do have to craft a very specific NTLM type request in order to gain access. So remember that last part. That's kind of important. Those are the 3. Now, I do want to mention this one that came out mid-August. It was a Windows update. It's KB 506-3878. Okay, this one's making people a little crazy on Reddit. This is the one that is purportedly crashing 15% of SSDs. Now, you have to read, write large amounts of files. So think gaming, cloning, video, audio, transferring of files. If those conditions are met, it's crashing a lot of SSDs and making a lot of people very, very unhappy. So if you haven't read about that one, go check that one out too. All in all, pretty light month, right? Get patching soon, especially on those first 2 that we mentioned. Good thing for you, Connect does automatic patching. For PDQ, I'm Tara.